Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you that earning from $100 plus per day is possible, even with minimal effort. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Minimal effort money-making method number 1 is unleashing the power of faceless niche YouTube channels, your step-by-step traffic formula. Alright, let's get down to business. Running faceless niche YouTube channels is easier than you think. Here's the magic formula you've been waiting for. Step 1. Screen recording tutorials. The key to faceless YouTube success lies in recording screen tutorials. Simple, right? No need to show your face. Just focus on teaching valuable aspects of your niche with engaging screen recordings. You can combine these recordings with captivating stock footage to spice up your videos. Step 2. Embrace the magic of free stock footage. Don't worry about creating everything from scratch. Numerous websites offer free stock footage for you to use. Sprinkle these captivating visuals into your videos to keep your audience spellbound. Step 3. Minimal effort for maximum impact. Now, you might think this process is time-consuming from recording to editing, but trust me, you'll reach a point where creating one of these videos takes just an hour. Imagine investing a few hours a week to plant these seeds, knowing they'll work their magic for years to come. Step 4. Videos that stand the test of time. Yes, that's right, your videos will live on forever, attracting views long after you've created them. This everlasting potential means your efforts yield rewards that last for years. Step 5. Model and conquer. Take inspiration from successful channels in your niche. Model your videos after theirs and craft your unique magic. Use tools like OBS Studio for screen recording and you're good to go. Invest in a cheap microphone or use your phone for better audio quality. You're ready to go. Step 6. Phone magic. Here's a neat little trick. You can even run your faceless channel entirely from your phone. Share tips, tricks, and how-tos for various applications using the built-in screen recorder. Trust me, these channels can attract hundreds of thousands of monthly views. Step 7. The magical affiliate link. Here comes the spellbinding part. In every video description and pinned comment, include your affiliate link to the product you're promoting. Encourage viewers to check it out for themselves and they'll click that link like magic. Step 8. The power of passive income. With your videos racking up views, your affiliate link will do its job like a charm. Even if you stop uploading new content, your videos will keep paying you passive income for years. Talk about magical. So there you have it, a mesmerizing traffic formula for faceless YouTube success. Get out there, start creating, and watch your financial dreams come true. Method number 2. Blogging. Unleashing the power of evergreen content. Blogging, my friends, is the next enchanting chapter in your money-making journey. Now that your YouTube channel is thriving with a backlog of captivating screen recording tutorials, it's time to expand your magical empire. Step 1. Transform your best ideas. Take those top-performing video ideas and weave them into captivating blog posts. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you craft mesmerizing scripts effortlessly. Just ensure your content is unique by using websites like copyscape.com. Step 2. Choose your blogging platform. While there are many options, I highly recommend WordPress.com. It's a powerful platform that offers endless possibilities for your blog success. Remember, you never have to show your face. It's the magic of faceless, evergreen content. Step 3. Sprinkle affiliate links. As with your YouTube videos, embed your affiliate links in your blog posts and add compelling calls to action. The enchanting part is that while blogging may not be as prominent as videos nowadays, it still attracts a massive audience eager to consume valuable content. Step 4. Harness the power of email captures. Here's a secret spell to boost your income. Set up email captures or bridge pages. These pages allow visitors to input emails before seeing your affiliate product promotions. With their emails captured, you can nurture and engage them over time. Step 5. Kajabi, your magical solution. For creating bridge pages and managing your email list, look no further than kajabi.com. This all-in-one platform will empower you to build a substantial email list and enchant your audience with your latest offerings. Step 6. The Amazon Affiliate Program. The grand finale. Consider joining the Amazon Affiliate Program. Promote their vast array of products, and when your viewers click your affiliate links and make purchases, you'll earn commissions like magic. Blogging adds another dimension to your money-making strategy. It's evergreen, attracts diverse audiences, and lets you engage with your followers in new and exciting ways. Your work is a timeless investment, drawing traffic and generating revenue for years. Now, if you're enjoying this video and you want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Minimal effort money-making method number 3 is unveiling Digistore 24's hidden treasure. So let's dive right in. When you visit digistore24.com and head to the marketplace, you'll be amazed by many digital products just waiting to explore. Online courses, ebooks, guides, and software are all ripe for the picking. But hold on, stay away from those random pills and whatnot. We're sticking to digital gold. Here's the genius part. You don't have to create any of these products yourself. Nope, other dedicated souls have already done the hard work. Your task is simple. Pick a product that aligns with your interests and promote it like a pro. But wait, you might ask, isn't promoting still a lot of work? Not at all. This is where the minimal effort part comes in. You can pair your chosen product with a lazy traffic source. Imagine just sitting back while the sales roll in. Sweet, right? Choosing the right product might seem daunting, but don't fret. Here's a simple hack. List 15 things you're interested in, from cooking to gaming or travel. Now, cross-check your list with categories like finances, health, technology, and travel. You get the idea. Look for those sweet spots where your interests and market demands intersect. That's where the real money lies. Now, signing up for Digistore 24 is a breeze. Just click that inviting button in the top right, create your account, and fill in the requested info. They ask for a bit, but trust me, it's all worth it. Rest assured, Digistore 24 is 100% legit. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the lazy way to riches. Grab your digital product and let the effortless money-making adventure begin. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Minimal effort money-making method number 4 is unleashing the power of ClickBank, your ticket to massive earnings. So you've scoured Digistore 24 but couldn't find the perfect product to promote. No worries, I've got another gem for you. ClickBank.com. It's another affiliate marketplace, and boy does it have a treasure trove of products waiting for your magical touch. Signing up for ClickBank is a piece of cake, just like Digistore 24. Once you're in, head straight to the affiliate marketplace. Here's where the real magic happens. ClickBank boasts a massive collection of products, way more than Digistore 24, so your chances of finding the ideal product to promote shoot through the roof. Now here's a pro tip. Looking for products with an affiliate support page. You'll find it next to the product labeled Affiliate Resources. Why is this a game changer? Well, these pages are gold mines for affiliate marketers like you. They offer free advertisements and assets that you can use to promote the product like a pro. Imagine the possibilities. You can post those snazzy ads on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or wherever your audience hangs out. Watch the traffic flow in and the sales spike. It's like effortless magic. But wait, we're not done yet. Here's a little secret sauce to maximize your earnings. Choose products that cost at least $1,000. Why? Because you'll typically get a hefty 50% commission on each sale. So if you drive a ton of traffic and even a tiny fraction of those people buy the product, your earnings skyrocket. Picture this. You set up a minimal effort traffic source. Yup, we'll get to that next. And thousands of people start flooding your irresistible offer. Even if just 20 people buy the product at $500 each, that's a whopping $10,000 per month for you. Talk about living the dream, right? With ClickBank by your side, your path to financial freedom has become smoother than ever. Method number 5, dividend stocks, the magic of passive income. These investments pay you regularly, rewarding you for your financial wisdom. Imagine effortlessly receiving a steady stream of income as you embark on your money-making journey. Step 1. Invest in dividend stocks. Dive into the world of dividend stocks where you can earn dividends quarterly or even monthly. Research and find stocks or index funds with a history of outperforming inflation. Building a solid portfolio can lead to a prosperous future. Step 2. Enjoy the power of regular income. With dividend stocks, you're not just growing your wealth, but also enjoying the joy of receiving consistent payments. It's like watching your money work for you while you relax and let the magic unfold. Step 3. The lazy magic of passive returns. Once you've invested your money, you can sit back and watch it grow. Unlike active income sources, dividend stocks require minimal effort, the gift that keeps giving year after year. Step 4. Building a magical income stream. You can build a portfolio that outpaces your active income with careful selection and patience. As the dividends accumulate, your income will grow and your financial freedom will draw ever closer. Bonus tip: the power of software promotion. An extra magical treat for you. Consider promoting software as an affiliate. No matter your niche, there's likely software that aligns with your audience's needs. What's enchanting about software promotions is the recurring income they offer. As subscribers renew their memberships, you'll continue earning like an ever-flowing wealth stream. In this mystical journey, we've uncovered powerful methods to make money with minimal effort. From faceless YouTube channels to dividend stocks and beyond, you now possess the secrets to unlock financial abundance. Remember, success lies in taking action. Choose the path that resonates with you and let the magic unfold. Embrace the joy of passive income and watch your fortunes grow effortlessly. With the right mindset and determination, you can achieve your dreams of financial freedom. So go forth, my fellow seekers, and let the magic of effortless wealth be your guiding star. May your future be filled with enchantment and prosperity. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.